let's think about how like the word is actually formed. So you see this word trinomial. You know that the stem tri, like triangle or tricycle. So tri means three. And we can think of nomials being number. And so also think of like the stem bi meaning two and mono meaning one. So basically this means like this number has just one part. So like it's just all together. So like 3y is a monomial, 4 is a monomial, 6y squared is a monomial. So what makes a monomial different from a binomial is a binomial has two numbers that are being added or subtracted together. So like x plus 2 is a binomial. It has two different monomials being added or subtracted together. So y minus 3, this is also a binomial. It has two parts being added or subtracted together. 6y squared minus 3y, this is a binomial. It has two monomials being subtracted or added together. And so a trinomial is just the same thing, but now there's three monomials being added or subtracted together. So like x squared plus 3y plus 2, that's a trinomial. 6y to the 5th plus 2y squared plus x, that's a trinomial. It's basically any three monomials added together. So what a polynomial is, so poly just means many. So basically any nomial that's not a monomial is a polynomial. So like these are all polynomials, these are all polynomials. Like if we had, you know, x to the 7th plus 7th plus x to the 6th plus x to the 5th plus
it's
x
like
to the
equation,
4th
like
plus
the number
x
plus
to the 3rd.
7, 8, 9 plus 7, negative 5.
Yeah. So yeah, so a polynomial is just like a bunch of monomials
being added or subtracted.
added or subtracted together. So polynomial is just, so a binomial is a polynomial, a trinomial is a polynomial. It's just, polynomial doesn't care what number there are, it's just any number more than one.
Okay.
And so when I say binomial, it's just a specific kind of polynomial. It's a polynomial with just two parts being added or subtracted together.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet. So yeah, so that's what...
How about this one right here? Is this an equation for it?
Trinomial?
Yeah.
So trinomial is just three parts added or subtracted together.
Okay.
So any three
So
monomials...
this is trinomial.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, most of the time, I would say... I don't know. I'm not going to give a percentage. A lot of the time, we'll still see trinomials. But we won't call them trinomials. You'll usually just hear them called polynomials, which is fine. It's just a more general term for what this is.
Okay.
It's kind of like how, like, football is a sport.
Correct.
Like, you could, like, look at somebody playing football and say, like, oh, they're playing sports. It's true, but it's not very specific. This is just a less specific term for what a trinomial is, if that makes any sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I get it now.
Yeah.